excited. I am wearing the Spirited Woman prayer scarf shawl. Is this gorgeous? Or what? This scarf has brought me so much magic and so many connections and so much spirit. All right, so I have the spirit, but it's brought me more spirit. And I have to tell you, I got so many compliments on this scarf that I made the decision that I would make this the Spirited Woman prayer scarf shawl for women around the world. I only have a limited edition of them, so don't get me wrong, but I wanted to make this scarf available to women around the world. A portion of the proceeds will go to the Spirited Woman Foundation to help heal women through actions of empowerment. And another fantastic, exciting thing around the scarf is that we are going to have a prayer ceremony around the scarf. We're going to have a blessing. Healing Priestess Ann Keeler Evans is going to be blessing our scarves for those who have purchased them in a healing ceremony on February 2nd. That will be in honor of Goddess Bridget. And who is Goddess Bridget? Goddess Bridget is the warrior goddess, the goddess of hearth and home, the goddess of wisdom, the goddess of fire, the goddess of omen. She rocks! And Anne is going to be blessing our scarves during that ceremony and also taking us forward in the new year, because Bridget is all about renewal. She's all about an abundance of new life. She's all about the change of seasons. And did you know that winter is the most powerful season for women? So from here on out, we're going to become the Sisterhood of Scarves. We're going to be connected through our remembrances of one another, through this gorgeous, gorgeous scarf, through our gorgeous, gorgeous, wonderful, powerful healing session. I want to say to the women of the world, may the force be with